Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on the look that I am wearing right now. This is a kind of 90s inspired fall makeup tutorial, at least my take on it. I really wanted to do like a brown 90s makeup look because I want to do more fall makeup tutorials, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. I didn't just want to do the typical brown and gold smoky eye with like a burgundy lip, you know? I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I love 90s makeup, 90s style. I love that it's coming back, so I really hope that you guys love this makeup look as much as I do. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you have not already. I would really appreciate that. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, which is kind of a crazy goal, but dream big, right? Also, don't forget to come join me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description box down below. And if you want to see how I got this 90s inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off priming my eyes with the Maybelline Master Conceal Camouflage Concealer. That is a mouthful. I just like to use this as a base to even everything out. And then I'm going to set it down with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder. Going straight into the shadows, I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm starting with the shade Warm Taupe. I'm just taking a brush and putting this all over the lid and up to the crease. This is just kind of going everywhere. And then I am mixing together Raw Sienna and Real Gar, and I'm just taking these two shades into my crease to add like some warmth. Just to spice it up a little bit. And then I am taking Cypress Umber, which is the dark brown shade in the palette, and I'm just taking my liner brush and just using this to define my lash line. So I'm just applying it super close to the lashes there to add some definition. I'm just cleaning up under my eyes now with a cotton pad and some micellar water to get all of that fallout. And then I'm just going to prime with my e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. This is in my Project Pan. This is just a great kind of like tacky base for your makeup, and it's also nice and hydrating. So I'm just blending this all over my face, and then for foundation, I'm mixing together the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless and my CoverGirl Healthy Vitalist Elixir Foundation just to get the right shade match for me. And I'm just blending this all over my face. It's going to be super light coverage, so I am going to go in and spot conceal then. I'm just using that same concealer I used earlier. I do have quite a bit of like scarring and stuff to go over. I'm just also taking that under my eyes and just blending that out with the same sponge that I used for my foundation. And I'm also going to set my concealer with a sponge just because I feel like it really just smooths everything out really nicely. And now I'm going on my lower lash line with just the shade Warm Taupe. That's it. And then I'm going to take Tempera and put this on the inner corners for like a highlight. Next, I'm lining my waterline with the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in Mr. Bing, just to add some warmth and kind of depth on the lower lash line. And then I'm also bronzing up with the ColourPop Private Party Bronzer. This looks quite cool toned in the pan, but it's actually pretty warm toned when it goes on the skin. And so I really like this because it has a little bit of a glow to it. It's just a really pretty bronzer. I'm just putting this on all the normal places, taking it down the neck a little bit. And then I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Mellow Wine, just because I like this kind of like deeper shade for fall. I feel like it's really pretty. And I'm just taking a clean brush to blend out any harsh lines. I am highlighting with Becca Opal. This is in my Project Pan. I just put it in there, so I am using it as much as I can, but this is just generally a beautiful highlight. I thought it went really nice with this look because it's super neutral. Gonna do my brows with my NYX Precision Brow Pencil, and I just want to keep them pretty defined and straight, nothing blocky or harsh, but a lot of the times I will do something more feathery. But since this is a 90s look, I do want to keep it more true to how they did their brows, just kind of simple, defined, sleek. And then I am just adding in my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper to set the brows. I'm also using that shade Tempera just to apply on my brow bone as a highlight. Here I'm curling my lashes, and I'm going to use the Lancome Lash Primer just because I feel like this adds a lot of volume. And the mascara I'm using is just the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara in Carbon Black. This is a good classic, and I love the volume this adds to my lashes. Just adding that to the upper and lower lashes. Adding some lip balm, and then I'm going to line my lips with actually an eye pencil. And I'm not sure the shade name of this, but I will try to leave it down below. I just liked the taupey shade this had. And then I'm actually using 0.0 from ColourPop to go over that, just to define the outer part of my lips, kind of line them. And then I'm going to go in with my Bare Minerals lipstick. I'm not sure the shade name of this again, but I will leave it down below. I'm just going over the center of my lips with this because I like how it's lighter, adds some contrast. And then I'm taking my Wet n Wild lipstick in Mochalicious, and I'm just taking a small brush to go over the edges again because I really wanted to add some warmth to this, just a little bit more depth. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, like I said at the beginning of the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let me know in the comments what videos you want to see from me. If there's any makeup tutorials or makeup looks that you are interested in me doing, then let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!